Welcome to the comprehensive data science tutorial series. In this series, we will guide you through the fascinating field of data science, focusing on Python to unlock its full potential. So, what is data science? Data science is the process of extracting insights from data. It combines programming, statistics, and domain expertise to solve real world problems. So, these skills solve complex problems in industries like healthcare, finance, and more. Now, the question is why we learn data science. So, it's simple high demand, lucrative salaries, and endless opportunities in every sector, whether it's healthcare, e commerce, or finance. So, data science plays a vital role in every field. Nowadays, data science is a very popular and high demanding skill. So, the data science life cycle. The first one is data collection. First, we gather raw data from various sources. Now, the second step is data cleaning. In this step, we will handle the inconsistencies for analysis, remove ambiguities. The third step is exploratory data analysis. In this step, we will identify patterns and trends. The fourth one is modeling. In this step, we will build a machine learning model and we need to identify which model is best for the data. The fifth step is deployment. Apply solutions in real world scenarios. So each step is crucial to transform raw data into actionable insights. So tools of the trade. So in this course, we will use powerful Python libraries like Pandas for data manipulations, NumPy for numerical operations, and scikit-learn for machine learning. Visualization tools like Matplotlib and Seaborn will bring data to life. Now, course highlights. So, throughout in this series, we will cover Python fundamentals, data visualizations, machine learning, and real world projects, giving you a holistic view of data science. If you are new to the Python, so no need to worry, we will cover each and every topic in this tutorial. So the question is who is this course for? So this course is perfect for students starting out, professionals seeking new skills, or hobbyists curious about data science. There's something for everyone. So I hope you guys enjoying this video. So join me on this existing journey into the data science. So subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and let's unlock the power of data together.